Keir Starmer's car crash attempt at explaining why digital IDs will stop illegal working, when needed now and don't stop it. This was humiliating, and I can't help but wonder if Starmer thinks we're all stupid, when saying you can't work without a digital ID, when you currently can't work without a NI, and some still hire people without. The only thing that will change this is enforcing existing rules, e.g. the need for a NI to work.
If you really believe that those profiting from human trafficking will think, oh dear, I have to check your digital ID now, I can't carry on paying you £1.50 an hour to work in my sweatshop.
I am absolutely convinced that amongst the reasons that people travel through France, which is a safe country, to come to the United Kingdom, amongst the reasons is because it's easier to work in our illegal economy than it is in other countries. And we have to deal with that.
Bosses who are prepared to hire people illegally are not asking them for their national insurance card. So what's the evidence? What makes you think they're suddenly going to ask them for a digital ID?
We need to be really clear. You must have ID, mandatory digital ID, in order to work, because we have to stop illegal working. If you look at any of the raids, we've massively increased the number of raids on working premises. It is absolutely clear that people are working illegally in numbers.
But why do you think that them having a digital ID, having to have a digital ID, would stop that problem, when right now people are meant to have a national insurance number and card, and if they're not asked for that, a boss is willing already to break the rules? What's the difference going to be?
Well, the difference is this is on point of starting, not a retrospective exercise as it now is. It is an automatic collection of the information by the government, so we know exactly who is working in our economy, and it will help us enforce the rules that are there. But there's no point people saying to me, why do we need it, when we all acknowledge there is a problem. People are working illegally in our economy. It is amongst the reasons that people want to come to the United Kingdom. We have to deal with that.
What do you think? Will this stop illegal working, or is it another way of controlling us? And is Tony Blair involved?